Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see today, we have a very exciting unboxing, well, at least for myself, because we will be unboxing a top wishlist item from the Louis Vuitton X Takashi Murakami Drop 2 collection, which is the Cherry Blossom. This will be an accessory that I will probably use with it. And today's unboxing is actually not an item from the LV shops or online or from my client advisor or from the LV app, because it was nearly impossible to get this item. Actually, I was told later from a fellow friend who is a VVIC that apparently Hong Kong only ordered one piece of this, and like obviously a prestige client got it. So it was nearly impossible to get this piece in Hong Kong, but I ended up getting it from StockX. I personally thought I got it for a pretty good deal compared to what it is now on other platforms that are reselling it. I might maybe list out the some of the asks and bid prices of this item, and let's just get right into it. I don't want to waste any more time because I'm really excited to see this piece as well. It came actually 2 days ago, but I only had time to take a look at it. If you're interested to see when I unbox my nano bucket, it comes with a key pouch, and I also got the rosé bandeau with the cherry blossoms. So this is the item. Came with the box. I'm surprised, or maybe it does. StockX also included the LV original box. Oh, and as we can see, this somehow dropped off. That's unfortunate. Okay, let me okay. So let me just put the box away, and then we can get to the unboxing. Okay. So that's unfortunate that this fell off. The larger box away from StockX, and it came with the newer box, but unfortunately the quality of these boxes not good, that's so good, because I mean the glue didn't really stay well. That's not important. What's important is inside, and this is the piece that I wanted from the very get-go but was unable to get. Okay. And it is the Nice Mini. Okay, let me just take a good look at it. Make sure there isn't any quality issues. I will be putting a bandeau on top so that I can convert it into like a handbag, maybe like a top handle with the bandeau, and then I'll be adding D-rings here, and then adding a strap either off the shoulder or a crossbody strap. Okay, the bottom is also the cherry blossoms. They're so pretty. Okay, inside, this is considered a toiletry pouch, so it's like wipeable interior. Came with the textile card, synthetic textile, vachetta leather. So that says the normal stamp is the 20-year anniversary celebration, Louis Vuitton X Murakami, made in Italy. Okay guys, so the second part of this unboxing is to see whether this organizer from XYJG fits into my nano bucket. So I was gifted this organizer, I believe is in silk or premium satin from this company. They do not have a specific nano mini size, but they said that the Speedy 20 should work just as well. So open this now and see if it fits into the Nice Mini. I should have gotten my scissors, but I think it should be fine. It's really smooth and soft. And I asked for the color to come in Sakura Pink, which is basically cherry blossoms. Oh, and it has 4 compartments, which is perfect because I love to keep my things tidy and in order. And let's see how this fits. Ah, it does fit perfect. I guess, well, actually, it's just slightly, I mean, it works, right? This, yeah. And I have all these slots. I could put, you know, important cards here. And then I have these compartments. And let's see how that closes. It's a bit hard because I still have all these strings and the StockX authenticity there, but yeah, it works well. I'm really happy about the organizer because I think the color is so pretty against the rose ballerine pink, and yeah, it's just very soft. And most importantly, I'm not a huge fan of felt organizers anymore. I used to buy felt, but now a lot of companies are doing silk material or like premium satin, and this is one of them, and it's really thick. So it actually, because the canvas for this Nice Mini is actually very soft. I felt it before in the New York flagship store, and it's the same with the Speedy 25. So it's actually very soft. So having an organizer really does help keep its shape and making sure that even though that this is wipeable, that things are kept clean. So I will be putting a bunch of essentials in here in probably another video. But for this time, this is how it will look. And last but not least, the final item that I wanted to decor my Nice Mini with is right here. I've already unboxed this in my first unboxing video of the Cherry Blossom collection, so if you've been following, you've probably seen this already. And I decided to use the tan color, the brown color monogram bandeau to match with my Nice Mini, as I've already used the pink rosé one on my nano bucket here in the back. So for this one, I could just tie it around here, and then I plan to add 2 D-rings. I got a bunch of D-rings, some small, some larger, to see if it fits here, and then I'll add a strap. I have a bunch of straps that I could try using, and I'll probably do that in another video, but just a preview. 1 second. I could show what I have here. Okay. So I have this particular strap. It's also from another vanity that I've received from a Game On collection. So this is an LV strap from another bag. And then this Vachetta came with the nano bucket, which I don't particularly like using. I actually prefer this sort of like a guitar strap that I got from the multi-pochette. And I think it really matches with my nano bucket. I guess I can consider putting this strap with the Nice Mini as well. And I also have this one that I bought purposely to kind of change with my bags, and I think this one may match this one as well. If that's too much in terms of monogram, I also got another bag strap from this app called Taobao. This is not an LV original. I just recently bought this. It's 90 cm long, so it works perfect as a off the shoulder, one shoulder. It's kind of long. I want these bags to be a little longer, and this wouldn't work as a crossbody, but if I wanted crossbody, I have plenty of straps. This would work as a crossbody. This is detachable as well as adjustable. Original from LV. So that's it, guys. I will probably create another video when I have more time, but today I was just really excited to unbox my Nice Mini that came from StockX. Everything looks good. I don't see any quality issues. Thanks for tuning in, and if you haven't already liked this video, or even you can share this video, subscribe to me if you like this type of content, and I look forward to speaking or talking to you guys soon. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.